Hello everyone, welcome to the daily market overview with Dylan Peacock. Let's jump straight into the Dow. The Dow daily trend remains up. 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. We can see that for the last few days price has found support on the 61.8 of the monthly high low. I'm waiting for it to break the 100 level so that I can get a new entry long. US Tech. Daily trend is up, 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. Currently US Tech has found support on the 100 of the monthly high low. I'm expecting a retracement to the 77 of the monthly high low, and once it breaks the 100 again, I'll be looking for a new entry long. S&P 500, the daily trend is up, 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. Current support is the 89 of the monthly high low. If it breaks the 100 of the monthly high low, I will be putting my new entry long. Dollar to the rand. The rand is trading at 17 rand 65 cents to the dollar. Daily trend is up. If price breaks the 127 of the monthly high low, I will make my new entry long to the 161.8 of the monthly high low. Gold, daily trend is down, 8 is below 21, however the long-term trend is up, 21 is above 50. Current support is at the 38.2 of the monthly high low. If it breaks the 61.8 of the monthly high low, I will consider a new entry long. Thank you for listening to the daily market overview. Have a good day.